Well, that's a problem. Listen to that. The speaker's messed up.
Wait. Left sign is on to cross.
It's very loud and very messed up. Listen to this one though. That one works. This one works.
15,
See, listen to this one.
13, 12.
This one's normal.
11, 10, 9, 8. Wait.
The thing is so messed up, you can hear it all the thing is so loud now. The static, you can hear it all the way over there. Now it's not beeping.
Wait.
Oh wait, never mind.
Wait. Traveling south. Wait.
I didn't actually activate this, so it did this on its own.
Wait. Traveling south.
But that pedestrian button over there is messed up beyond belief. I mean, listen to the speaker. You'll hear it in a moment.
Traveling south. Left side is on.
It is so loud.
27. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That speaker's definitely on its way out. Listen to that. It's a lot worse than it did before. I think it's time that ADOT gets notified about this. What the hell is going on? Listen to this thing. This thing could use a new speaker. See, listen. Listen. I can't even get it shut. See, listen to the static noises it's making. That right there is not good. And it's the only one out of all of them that are seem to having issues. Listen. You know what, I'm not even gonna... I'll just let you guys hear that, but listen to that. That's horrible sounding. It used to sound a lot worse. It used to sound a lot better than it did a few years ago. This thing used to sound a lot better years ago. Now this thing sounds faulty. You can hear it from all the way across the street too. That's messed up. That's it.